This video explains how to create an assignment through content in Brightspace as an instructor. The new assignments creation experience has a fully immersive layout that is consistent with other areas of Brightspace. In Content, in the module where you want to create your assignment, click Create New and select Assignment. On the assignment creation page, enter a name. For grade out of, enter the number of points. Select whether the assignment will appear in the gradebook by clicking the drop-down menu. The option Edit or Link to Existing creates and links to a new grade item or links to an existing one. Not in gradebook does not associate the assignment with a grade item. Reset to ungraded does not assign points to the assignment. Also, enter the due date and instructions for your assignment. In the Availability Dates and Conditions menu, enter a start date and end date. Click Add Release Condition to add a release condition. Click Manage Special Access to control assignment availability for certain groups of learners. In the Submission and Completion menu, select the assignment type, choose a category, and choose the assignment submission type. Choose the number of files allowed per submission, allowable file extensions, and how submissions will be kept in Brightspace. Enter a notification email that will receive notifications when learners submit assignments. In the Evaluation and Feedback menu, click Add Rubric to add a rubric. Click Manage Learning Objectives to associate learning objectives with the assignment. Choose to enable or disable annotation tools and anonymous marking by selecting the respective checkboxes. Under Evaluators, you can also select a group of evaluators to use delegation or co-marking to evaluate an assignment. When enabled, an external learning tool section also appears in the Evaluation and Feedback menu, allowing you to configure its settings. Toggle the visibility for your assignment from hidden to visible if desired, and click Save and Close. Now you know how to create an assignment using the new assignments creation experience. Thank you for watching.